In this video, we will discuss the basicity of aromatic amines. When you consider the NH2 group, there is a lone pair of electron over here. If you increase the electron density over here, the basic character will increase. If you decrease the lone pair density here, if you decrease it, so the basic character will also decrease. So everything depends on this lone pair, the density of the lone pair over here. You increase it, the basicity will increase. If you decrease it, the basicity will decrease. Now in case of aliphatic amines, or the aromatic amine, which one is more stronger base? That we should understand through the plus psi effect. The plus psi effect in case of aliphatic amines makes it more basic. The reason being, the aliphatic amine, the alkyl groups, it shifts the electron density towards the NH2 group, thereby increasing the density of lone pair over here. It increases the density of the lone pair here. So aliphatic amines are more basic than the aromatic amine. Now the problem in aromatic amines is, when you consider the aromatic ring, the lone pair over here, what happens, the ring, it shifts the electron density towards itself. This double bond, it comes here. So and this, the lone pair, the density of the electron here decreases because it goes into the conjugation with the ring. So once the electron density decreases here, the basic character also decreases. So due to the delocalization of this lone pair of electron, the electron density here decreases and the basicity of aromatic amine also decreases. Now if someone asks you whether this is more basic or this is more basic, that I will explain now. Suppose we have the aromatic ring here, and here we are having the NH2 with the lone pair of electrons. Here we are having a group. Suppose this R group is electron donating group. If it is electron donating groups, like we can have CH3 group, we can have OCH3 group, we can also have NH2 group here. Okay, if they are these groups, they are electron donating groups. So what they will do, they will try to donate the electron here, and due to delocalization, the electron density will reach here. So what happens, the electron density over here, it will increase. So electron donating group, due to delocalization, it increases the electron density here, and what will happen, the basicity will increase. Now what will happen, suppose if I draw the aromatic ring here, the NH2 here with the lone pair of electron, the basic character depends on the lone pair of electron here. It depends on this lone pair of electron, and we have R group, which is electron withdrawing. It takes away the electron from here. So the aromatic ring, it will try to take the electron density from here. So in this process, what happens, the electron withdrawing group, it decreases the electron density from here. Once the electron density decreases from here, the basicity or the basic character also decreases. So what are the groups that are electron withdrawing group? Groups like NO2, we have cyanide group, we have SO3H group, and then we have the carboxylic group and the halogens. So in this example, CH3, if you look here, it is here, electron donating group, it donates the electron density. So electron density here increases, so this is a stronger base. Here NO2 is a electron withdrawing group, and it will shift the electron density towards itself. So this is a weak base. Now what will happen if we have these examples? Now in this case we have CH3 group, which is electron donating group, and it is at the para position, and in here we have the same CH3 group at the meta position, and here we are having the CH3 group at the ortho position. So I'm changing the position, the substituents are the same. Now just remember the para substituent, they have a base strengthening effect at the para position. It is dominant. So para, the basic character will be more than the meta, which will be greater than the ortho. Now why I am drawing it ortho over here? Because I wanted to show you aniline. If you consider the basicity of aniline, aniline is more basic than the ortho. Why this is happening? It is called as ortho effect. The ortho effect is a combination of the steric and electronic factors. So the para position, it is dominant. It shows a dominant basic character followed by meta followed by ortho. If you consider aniline, it is it's a better base than the ortho character due to the ortho effect. Why at para position it is more basic than meta, that we can come to know due to this the resonance effect. Now if you consider this electron, it falls here, this bond, it falls here, creating a the pair of electron, it comes here. Now this pair of electron falls here, this double bond, it falls here. So we get this structure, the electrons is here. Now this electron, it falls here, this double bond, it falls here. So we get this structure, and this continues. So the lone pair of electron, it is moving throughout the aromatic ring. Now if you are observing, at this ortho position we are having the lone pair of electron, at this para position we have the lone pair of electron, and at this ortho position again. So we have ortho position, para position, and again ortho position. Here ortho, here para, here ortho. So the electron did not come at meta position, never. So the hyperconjugation doesn't come into play at the meta position, and this is the reason meta position, it was showing less basic character than the para. Now regarding ortho, why it was the weakest base? Because of the ortho effect which I mentioned before. I will take more examples in the next video.